And this particular young lady, apparently she and her sister ventured to the gas station, had an altercation with the young woman. And well, she apparently went by herself at first. And whatever it is that transpired, she came back with her sister. And in the course of the altercation, the pump attendant apparently sprayed her with a gas pump and lit her afire. Now, let me say this, right? Because I see a whole heap of commentary going around the road, right? And yes, that the person brought the provocation to her at her job. I swear the police have now charged her for the incident. The police that apparently, the pump attendant's name is Khaled Suimi, and she has been charged with assault occasioning grievous bodily harm following the attack